Student, here we have to see the lesson number 8, that is Animal World.
Students, before this we have learned about the plant world. In that we have seen the different types of plants. Okay, now we have to see the animal world. Student, around us many animals are there. Some are big, some are small, some are domestic, some are pets, some are birds, some are insects. Means these type of animals are around us and we have to see which are those animals. I know that you know very well which animals are there. First of all, we will see the big animals. Students, lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, rhinoceros. These are the very big animals. Understood? They live in the forest. Okay, you get it? Next, we have
Big animals. Lion, C-L-I-O-N, lion. It's elephant. See the elephant. It's tiger. T-I-G-R, tiger. We have to see the small animals now. Check it. It is a deer. It is a fox. F-O-X, fox.
here we have to see the very small animals. Student, ants, bees, houseflies, butterflies. These are the very small animals. We are saying the insects. We can say the insects because insects have six legs. See, they are having the six legs and wings to fly. Wings to fly. So, student, very small animals are there. They are the ant, then butterfly, housefly. These all are the small, very small animals. To them we can say these are the insects. Insects having the six legs and two wings to fly. Understood? Now we have to see the birds. Students,
Very small animals first. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. See butterfly. Butterflies are very colorful. It having very colorful structure. Okay, next ant. Ant, it is an insect. It having six legs. It having a where super sense they can find out their food very easily. Check, these are the ants. This is bee. Bee which gives us honey and wax, which collecting nectar from the flowers. Okay, and they are making the beehives also. See, it is a beehive. How they are storing their food in that beehive. Next is the beetle. See, it is a insect which is very small. It is a beetle. Check its movement. It is very small animal, so it is an insect. Insect having six legs. Okay, It is a insect. Check its movement. It is a beetle. 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 Mosquito. Mosquito again an insect. It is very small. It's developed on the surface of the water. So every time what we are saying, that whenever there are the water bodies, you should, like a lake, you should spread the kerosene and DDT on it for destroying larvae. Now next is the ladybird. It's look like a very nice. It lives on the leaves. It's having the nice dot on it. It also find in the different colors. Okay, see its movement. It also having the 6 legs. Fly. Everyone know about this. This is a housefly. Housefly is having the wings. They can fly from one place to another place. Also they can spread the diseases by their legs. Bed bugs. How its structure is. See, it is how they are developing, how their movement is. These are also small insects. Okay. Next, grasshopper. It is a grasshopper. It lives on the leaves and its color is green. Dragonfly. It is a very nice dragonfly. It having the 4 wings, 6 legs. Okay. Next insect we have to see, that is spider. I know that you know very well about the spider. It is a spider.
Birds. Birds are those animals, they can fly in the sky. They are having the 2 wings to fly in the sky. You know what? Birds having the very boat-like, stream-like body. And with the help of that, they can fly in the air. They are having tail, they are having 2 wings, they are having 2 legs. Okay? So beak also there. This is the structure of the birds. Many birds are around us. Parrot, peacock, hen, ostrich. Ostrich cannot fly, students, because its body is very heavy and its leg structure is only adapted for the running. As well as penguin. Penguin also does not fly because it having a heavy body. Understood? So these are the some birds. Okay. Let's see another.
Here some animals. It is a parrot. 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 Next is crow. 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 It is a crow. Okay. Next, sparrow. Sparrow. Yes, Sparrow. Sparrow. Duck. It is a duck. Duck. It is a swimming animal or aquatic animal. It is a eagle. 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 It is a prey of bird. Owl. 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 Pigeon. 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 It is a pigeon. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. It is too much beautiful. Next, hen. Hen. H-E-N. Hen.
Here, wild animals. Student, which animals live in the forest? Those animals are called as wild animals. Then, which animals live in the forest? Yes, correct. Tiger, lion, giraffe, bear, rhinoceros, hippopotamus. These all animals live. Many are there. List can be made. Many animals.
It is a bear. B-A-R, bear.
Chimpanzee.
It's a chimpanzee. Elephant. Zebra. What is this? Zebra. It's community of zebra. It is a fox. Already we have seen it is a fox. F-O-X. Fox. It's a rhinoceros. It is a rhinoceros. See all the rhinoceros here. Oh, it is the king of forest, lion. Now it's a leopard. Who is this? Yes, hippopotamus. He is a hippopotamus. Now it's a deer. Say D-W-E-R, deer. Oh, easier. Yes, gorilla. Oh, tiger.
Here we have to see the next one, that is domestic animal. Student, which are the domestic animal? Here I have written the definition, that is domestic animals are those animals who live in farm or near our home. Domestic animals means those animals who live in our farm or near to our house. Those animals are called as domestic animals. Domestic animals we tend in our farm for our purposes, for our uses. Which uses are there? For example, buffalo we take for the manure as well as for the milk. Cow, buffalo, oxen we take for the farming purposes. Then sheep, goat are there. They are also very useful to us. Understood? These animals we tend at our farm for our use. That animals are called as domestic animals. They are having the lot of uses. The horse we use for the transportation. Then dogs we keep at home for the guard our homes. As well as dog is a pet animal also. Yes, donkey is also using for the transportation or carrying the load from one place to another place. It's using. Then goats, sheep, they are using for the milk, as well as sheep is using for the wool also. We get the wool from the sheep. They are having a lot of uses. Let's see some domestic animals.
Now we have to see the domestic animals.
Cow.
Cow gives us milk and also gives us manure. Here, dog.
Dog.
Guard our homes. Yes, they are very honest. Now, donkey. Donkey is very useful to carry the load. Okay, so it is a domestic animal. Goat gives us milk, as well as we are using its meat. Yes, so it is very useful animal. Oh, it is a sheep. Sheep gives us wool, and we wear the woolen clothes in winter season. Got it? So these are the sheep. Oh, it is yak. A yak gives the milk, as well as it used for the carrying load. Understood? It is a yak.
Here we have to see the pet animals now. Animals that live in our home are the pet animals. Students, we keep those animals because we love them. That's why they are with us. For example, a dog, cat, then we can keep rabbit, fishes. These are the pet animals. Understood? We are keeping them for our love. We love them. We need their company. We enjoy their company. That's why we keep them at our home. Understood? So these are the pet animals. But we have to take care of them also. Means we should provide them proper shelter. We should provide them proper medication. Weekly we have to take towards the veterinary doctor for checking. Understood? We have to wash them properly. We have to take care of them. Because they cannot say anything, we have to look after them. Okay, let's see some pet animals.
Pet animals? Dog. We love the dogs. That's why we take them away. They are with us at our home. Rabbit. It is also a pet animal. Yes. Eats the carrots, radish, okay, and leaves of the plant. It's a cat. Cat also a pet animal. Now we have to see where does animals live. Okay, animals we have seen. Where does it live? See, first thing, that is animals like tigers, lions, elephants, deer, zebras, cows, camels, dogs and cats live on land. These all animals live on land, so we should call them they are the land animals. Once again I am repeating this, that is lion, elephant, deer, zebras, cows, camels, they are the land animals. See, zebra living on the land, cow. Next example is camel. Okay, next what we have to see? The next type, animals like fishes, octopuses and turtles live in water. Got it? So these animals are called as water animals or aquatic animals. We should say them aquatic animal. Aquatic, aquatic animals. Let's we see there are some pictures here. Fish, then octopus. Here is a turtle. Next type is the amphibian, tree. Animals like monkeys, birds and squirrels live in tree. Okay, monkeys, birds and squirrels, they live on a tree or in a tree. Let's see the picture first. Picture is monkey, then sparrow, and next one that is squirrel. Next type is that some animals like frogs, crocodiles and hippopotamuses live both on land and in water. Student, they are called as the amphibians. What we should call them? Amphibians which live on land as well as in the water. Let's see the pictures. It is a frog. Frog lives in land as well as on the land and in water. It is crocodile, hippopotamus. Okay, understood. Here, what animals eat? That we have to see what animals eat. What is their food? Let's see. First, some animals like cows, goats, elephants eat grass and leaves, means plants part. So these animals eating only plants part. Which animals I have told you? That is goat, then cow. These are eating the grass and leaves. Next, some animals like hens and mice eat grains. These animals eat only food grains. Okay. Which animal? Hens, mice, peacock, like this. See, here is the example you have shown. Hens, they are eating grains. Some animals like lions and tigers eat the flesh of other animals. They are the carnivorous. What they are doing? They are doing the hunt of other animal. Here you have shown one picture. Here your lesson has finished. Bye bye. Take care and read the lesson carefully.